Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing well. And as you guys have noticed, I've been traveling a lot recently. Sometime I'm going somewhere for an event, sometime I'm going back home, sometime I'm traveling because I love to travel, or sometime I'm coming back here. But one thing is constant, that I have to create these videos, these contents, these brand works, this product photography, and for that, I need to carry a lot of gears with me. So in this video, I'm going to talk about what are the gears I carry with me all the time. Let's start the video with the bag itself. So this is the Wildcraft Shutterbug backpack, camera bag, and I've been using it for about 3 years right now. And this has been with me all over the India for all the shoots to everywhere I have been in last 3 years. This is such a comfortable bag, this is such a compact bag, and this is great. I recommend it with my 100%. I have made a full review of it, in-depth review. You guys can watch it if you are interested. But today we are not talking about the bag only. Today we are talking about what's in this, what I carry inside this. So let's start the video. And here I have my name tag on it. That looks pretty fancy. Okay, let's start the video. So this is the bag I carry with me everywhere. Now let's open it up and let me show you what are the gears I carry. So first of all, very important, music. My most favorite pair of earbuds. This is Oppo Enco Air 3 Pro. Then I have my wallet, but I'm poor AF, so I have no money. Then I have a pair of sunglasses. I have my secondary phone here. This is the Oppo Find N2 Flip. Then I have a power bank to charge all of my gears. Then I have my dongle. Then I have an extra pair of cables. Then I have my Samsung T5 SSD. I do carry a bracelet with me. One of my friends made this. This is a totally handmade one. So yeah, this is a very special thing. Not tech, but this is a really special thing. So this is all for the top compartment. And here I put tickets and stuffs like that. Not very important. Now, let's open up the main compartment where all the tech lives. Yeah. This is pretty organized and I like it this way. There are not a lot of tech, so let me take you through. These are my standard Sony chargers. And here is my love. This is my Sony a7 IV with that Tamron 20-40 f2.8. This is the best combo. And this is the combination made in heaven for me. Like, this camera with this lens is just amazing. Just amazing. This is my most favorite lens, period. Okay, then here I have a Samyang 35mm T1.9. Now, if you are confused about T, aperture is measured in photography lenses with f, and in cinema series lenses with T. So this is a Cine series lens from Samyang, and I've been testing it for a few weeks now. Wait for the review. Then I have a small portable light which I just reviewed few days back. This is the Godox R1, and this is such a portable light, such a useful light. Then here I have a lens for a very specific reason. 16-35 f4 Sony, like the OG lens, and I'm carrying it for a reason. So yeah, that's also for a video, so wait for the video. Then here I have two compartments like bags. So first of all, this is the microphones I use, like the Digitech wireless mic system, and I'm using two of these right now. And here is the extra one. Now this is very interesting because this is a tech bag from Alpaca, and this helps me to organize all my like cables, chargers, card readers, dongles, and pretty much everything. This is a USB-C cable. This is my smartwatch charger. This is the cable for Samsung SSD. This is another cable. So yeah, the tech organizer bag helps me to organize all the cables pretty neatly. Now, these are all the gears I've been carrying with me right now, but these things always change. Like, it depends on where I'm going, for which shoot I'm going. Now, what are the gears I've been testing at that point, or if I upgrade to a new product. So yeah, this is never the same, but what I've shown you in the video is what I carry right now. If you have any question regarding any of the products, do let me know in the comment section down below. That's it for today's video. See you guys in the next one. Till then, ta-da.